And the fourth one challenge would be sustainability.
Yeah, and sustainability.
We had a good episode with Linmont, with Peter with Linmont, talking about their sustainability efforts that they're doing, that they're making things smaller. And I go through our partners and see what they're doing, their efforts are, and they all of them have some great. They make their products smaller, more compact, use less stuff,
use less energy.
Yeah.
So more energy efficient. With Siemens does this. That's their mainstay. Is energy initiatives. Yaskawa.
I love their rechargeable ones.
Yeah, where they regen back onto the line, and Siemens does that out of the box. Yaskawa, some models do, some models don't, and they're VFD models and stuff like that. So, but yeah, absolutely finding those ways of saving energy savings.